The difference between unruly and floppy Caryopteris in the middle of summer and beautiful, well-balanced sub-shrub is in this cut. And it happens all in spring. So after this video, you will know exactly what to do for your Caryopteris to thrive in your garden. The secret is to give Caryopteris hard pruning in early spring when the leaves are just starting to show up and Caryopteris is waking up. Why do we do that? Well, Caryopteris blooms on new wood, so whatever is growing will bloom. You're not cutting old woods. And the trick is to cut it hard. You can't just deadhead it lightly and then new branches will appear from here and everything flops. So what you do, you look all the way down where the division on the main stem happened, the side stems grew, and you cut it just above that. Let me show you. So I'm going to go deep into the canopy of the plant, and here we are. I found the stem which has divisions, right? So here I cut it previous year and now it has 2 divisions. So what I do, I cut it just above it. This way, this one too, these little guys too. This way my Caryopteris has all the new growth will start from here, and my Caryopteris is not going to flop because it has all the strong support of all the stems. And it is going to green up in no time and it will look like a little mushroom at the beginning. And that is exactly what I'm going to do to my Caryopteris, to each stem. Go inside and prune all the long stems out. So that's it. The most important cut you have to do early spring, deep into the canopy for your Caryopteris to thrive in your garden. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe for more helpful down-to-earth garden tricks to grow our plants beautifully. And what I did here, I introduced a little bit of leaf mold here. Caryopteris generally doesn't like very fertile soil, so leaf mold will increase the structure of the soil but would not add fertility to it. Beautiful. And in no time my Caryopteris will look like a beautiful green mushroom here, and then will become this and this and this. Wonderful. See you in our next video. Happy gardening.